Hey guys, welcome back to WIX Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a subscription-based website. For example, if you want your users to have a monthly fee to have access to something on your website, kind of like Netflix or Disney Plus, this is how you do that within WIX. Now, if you'd like to see me build out a full subscription-based website, be sure to leave that in the comments below. So this is going to be using something called Members Area. And that is something that I went over in my last video. Go click the link in the description and watch that short video and then come back after you're finished. All right, let's get into this tutorial. So for this, we're actually gonna go to Add Apps and we're gonna type in subscription. Okay, the first thing we're gonna see is pricing plans, which has subscription, memberships, and pricing plans. We'll go here and we'll do Add to Site. So after it adds the plans and pricing service to our website, it's going to take us to the plans and pricing page. Now, if we click this element and press settings, here is where you can change what is displayed. So we can change the header, we can remove the header, we can remove the plan name, the plan tagline, and we can remove the plan benefits. We can also show a ribbon on whichever plan that we want. We can also change the line spacing of our different benefits that each plan offers. And we can also add dividers for each one of those. Also, we can change the text layout. So as of right now, it is all centered, but we can move it to the left or right. Now, if we go to text, we can actually choose what each one of our elements say. So the ribbon, we can say most popular, and then the ribbon will change to that. And we can change the header, which would be this text right here. And we can change this button text as well. And then if we go down to design, here is where we can change all of the different design elements like the border, the background color. We can actually change the text to different font, different colors. We can change the button layout and colors and fonts. And we can change the ribbon font and color. Okay, now that you have a design that you really like, then we can click the element again and press Manage Plans. This is going to open up the dashboard and it'll allow us to create a plan. So the website that we are currently on, which is a WIX template, is kind of like a portfolio, but maybe this person wants to offer high quality downloads for her photos. So maybe we can offer one like free, which would be like maybe called basic. And then right here, we can put in the different benefits that are included. And then we can select free plan for this one. Length of plan, we can do until canceled. And then down here, we can set advanced settings, but I think this is good for now. So we'll press save. Great, now let's go add a second plan. And then for this one, we're gonna set a recurring payment. We'll set it to monthly. And let's say we do it for $5 a month. We'll set the length for until canceled. Maybe we'll offer a free trial for maybe 7 days. Okay, and lastly, let's add a third. Alrighty, so now we have 3 different plans. So we'll go ahead and exit out of this. Then on our plans and pricing page, everything will update. Now let's go into settings and we want to highlight the pro plan. So now that we have our plans set up, the next thing we need to do is set up our pages for those plans. So let's go ahead and add a page. We'll just choose a gallery. And for this, we'll call it Gallery Basic. Then we're gonna duplicate this page, call this one Premium. And then we're going to duplicate it one more time and call this one Gallery Pro. Now what we want to do is come over to the basic. We're going to go into settings. We're going to choose permissions, members only. Then we're going to click on only selected members or paying customers. And then we're going to select basic. And we're going to press apply. There we go. And then when you see this little icon right here, the members icon, then you know it works. So now let's go over to this page. the premium, members only selected members, select what members we want, and we'll do premium, then we'll press apply. And we'll do the same thing for the pro by selecting pro. Alrighty, so now let's just publish the website. So now that we are on the website, we can see that we're actually not a user, but if we try to click on Gallery Basic, it's gonna have us sign in and sign up for a subscription. And that is how you set up subscriptions in your Wix website. Now, just like last video, don't forget to go to your members pages and edit the design of these pages. Because sometimes the fonts and colors don't always match, or they are not what you want them to be. So be sure to come here and edit these designs before you publish. I hope you guys did learn something. If you did, please press that like button and consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.